So enough of abnormal. Let's now start looking at normal things. So let's see how you use the calculate function to start altering the filters context. We are going to start with a very simple one, which is I have this report here now that is reporting revenue by region. So it's using the normal revenue measure that we have written here, just a simple sum of other sales. So if I want to compare the revenue of each region against the south region. We did something like this before using the SUMX function. We can use the calculate function to do this in a very easy way, and let's see how that works. If I right click here and I select new measure, so I can call this south revenue, and south revenue using calculate function is going to be equals to calculate first argument is expression. My expression is sum of revenue. I had it before, so I can just reference that measure. Revenue is my expression. Then every other argument is optional, like we said earlier, but when you are using calculate within measures, you most likely use the other argument. So the first argument, expression, the other argument are basically filters, so the different levels of filters that you would like to apply to your calculate function. So in this case, I know the filter context starts from region and it filters to each region like this. But now, because I'm now in calculate, I can alter what this filters context is doing by specifying something else within the filter argument of calculate. So in this case, I'm going to say that it should go and filter the location table. So now I can access the location table because calculate can see relationships. So I want to say filter this region to when it is equals to, open double quotes and type south, close the quotes and close the parentheses and hit enter. Of course, I had this created before, so let's just change this to let's change it to south revenue 2 and hit enter. So let's go bring in south revenue 2 to this report, and you can see that it gives me exactly what I need. So for every row in this report, for each filter on the report, it continues to returns the revenue for the south. And if, for example, I am the manager for south, like I explained earlier, I can easily find out how much catch up the south needs to do against each of the regions by just subtracting that revenue from this newly calculated revenue. So that's a simple way to use calculate. You can specify simple filters within your calculate expression, and if you need to specify more filters, I'm going to show you in the next video how you can filter more than a single column and from more than a single table as well.